What is investing? Investing is you lay money on an investment vehicle and hope it will grow in value over time. This investment vehicle can be stocks, can be bonds, can be real estate, can be collections, and it can be lots of things. And investing is different from trading or gambling. Trading or gambling is zero-sum game. So if you win, someone else will lose, and if you lose, someone else will win. But investing is different. Investing is you grow together with your investments. You stay there for relatively long term. And over this long term, you expect that the value of this investment will grow. So even without trading, you can make money. And for example, if you buy 1% share of a business, and if this business grows 5 times, and your 1% will be worth 5 times more. So even without trading, you can make money off investments. You cannot do that with trading or gambling. I'm not saying that you cannot make money with trading or gambling. You can. And there are great traders, such as James Simons. He trades on market efficiencies and made lots of money over a very long period of time. With investing, it's different. The key for investing is you are patient and you choose a vehicle. You don't have to be very smart. Actually, you need to be patient. You need to be you need to have common sense, and you can grow together with your investments over time. And the best example would be Warren Buffett. Which way do you go? It's a choice, but I personally, of course, has been doing investing and has been with passive investing for over 20 years.